Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? It's Feisty or Gigi, whatever you guys know me as. But welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be rigging a man's shirt. I got the updated shit. Sorry, I got the updated legacy body finally. Okay, how long have I been waiting for this? Okay, and today we're gonna be doing a rig to legacy athletic. So if you guys don't know, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like my videos, I post so randomly. I don't even post like on time. But you guys, that is gonna change. I just been like on a hiatus, going on some trips, you know, and your girl has been getting herself together. So just been trying to come out with like, you know, new content for y'all and stuff like that. Kind of want to do more content where I'm talking about other stuff other than just meshing. So yeah, but yeah, so let's get into this. Today actually I'll be doing another instructional video. I know that you guys probably are getting bored of these, but I think that they're helpful just in case somebody needs to refer back and they don't know what to do or they get stuck. So as always, we are going to turn on screencast keys and excuse me, I'm so gross. It's at my origin. All right, now you guys can see. I didn't put it in pink so you guys can see. In white it's better. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna turn this on, the TV screen on. I'm gonna turn the nails off, the socks off, and that's it. We're not gonna need the barefoot. Excuse me, oh my god, I sound like a little pig. We're not gonna need the barefoot. Pigs are my favorite animal, by the way. The high feet or the low. Well, honestly, we can keep like one of them on. We just need one of them. It's so crazy that like Legacy now has like I can, you know, make guys' shoes high feet like for some heels, which I love that. It's so inclusive. And it's good because, okay, first off, the shirt didn't left. It's so great because we can you know, we can make some clothes for men and stuff like that. Okay, so we're gonna start. I don't really, yeah, I'm gonna try and like move this out a little bit. Turn on scope mode. We don't really gotta do too much because it's already in. It's perfect. Whoever made this is, they got that. They did that one. So it's pretty good. I'm gonna just kind of, okay, there's a lot. I'm gonna just kind of smooth it out. All right. Okay. Turn this on. I feel like this is good. I might kind of like move this. Well, you know what? Honestly, it's not like really bad, to be honest. I just like might move it down just a smidge because it's kind of high. Kind of high up there. Y'all, I think that's good. I'm gonna move this down. Okay, that's pretty good. Alright, so yeah, this is good. We did good. Okay, so I wonder, nope, it's enough space in the butt, it's enough space in the front, so we're all good. Alright, so we're gonna turn this off and we're gonna press the shift select the shirt and the armature, Control P with empty groups, and then we're going to press the body, shift select the shirt, object mode to weight paint, turn on vertex select, press A for all weights. We are going to transfer them weights, source layers to by name, And then y'all know what I love to do. I like to press in, but only press the shirt. I like to press Avastar. Make sure you guys are getting the proper Avastar add-on for your blender. Again, if you need resources, I have good resources in my Discord that will tell you where to get it, or you never know, maybe somebody I don't know, giving it out. I ain't say that off the record. But skinning, we are gonna clean 159 weight maps. After that, we're gonna update that binding, and then we are going to keep the shirt selected and go into weight paint mode again. All right, it's already selected. We're gonna go into weights, and we're gonna go into smooth now. Subset will be all groups. Iterations, we are only gonna take that to 3 because it's not that much stuff on it. It's not like it's a shirt with like extra, crap and stuff. We don't gotta do that much. So the shirt should be rigged now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to pose mode, and I am going to test my rig, which is something I don't really do that often, but it's kind of crunching. Oh, I don't like that. Kind of crunching. But overall, it's a good rig. We're gonna just kind of smooth it out. Yeah, we're gonna need to smooth that out some more. Okay, we're gonna go to weight mode. Wait, I'm gonna smooth, and I'm gonna smooth out. Oh, I'm sorry. No, we did it. I'm gonna turn it up. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna turn the iterations up. I'm gonna just keep smoothing till I get to a point where I'm gonna go to this like little, not really recyclable sign. It's more like just go to data, hover over and go to data. All right, so we're gonna like unselect vertex mode, and I'm going to see right upper arm. All right. All right, we're gonna just smooth that out. Smooth that. And then I believe this was belly that was acting a little weird. So we're gonna smooth that out. And then also the left upper was upper, not leg, upper arm was acting a little strange. It was just a little crunchy, and then if this like issue continues, we'll just do some more weight painting, which is like the easiest thing. Okay, that's better. Ooh, a little bit more smooth. All right, I'm a little satisfied with that. So we are going to just export, because what I've noticed is looking around, it ain't no stressing, no problems. Usually, I mean, it's a t-shirt. Should not have that many issues, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. If it's got issues and it's a t-shirt, should not have that much. But for good measure, just in case I have any issues with uploading, or the person who I send this to, like that's kind of weird. But no, it's good. It's good. Anybody that I send to, like upload or something, for good measure, what I like to do is I like to go to edit mode. I press mesh, and I go into excuse me. I go into face. Yes, triangulate the faces, because one, it just took down how many vertices, and it also helps with uploading to Second Life. If you get that missing error data message, this will help. So because it's a legacy, I'm gonna go to Bento Buddy Mesh Export, and I'm gonna go to Load Preset, and after that we are going to go all the way to Legacy, because this is like the most updated 2023. As you can see, I'm using the Blender 2.93. If you do have the Legacy body, I suggest you guys go into the Discord server of Legacy and you guys update your body folders, because let me tell you, I just updated all my bodies. The only body that I don't have is Maitreya, but I'm still waiting on it, praying on a star on that. But you know what? Update your bodies, because they got us with the 2.9 to 3. So I'm just gonna say it's getting a little easier, you know. So to export, we're gonna do Legacy Male, Create a Mesh Clothing Edition, Egg Pose. I don't know. Oh, so I don't use classic because it's not a classic body. I use Legacy, and I don't use mesh body because these are not clothing. I always use Legacy M, Create a Mesh Clothing, load settings, export mesh, and I'm gonna set it to my fraud. And I'm gonna call this, what was this shirt? Tatty shirt. All right, and that is how we rig a shirt. If you guys are enjoying my quick rig videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I think I'm gonna make a next one, because I am going to be going on a trip and I will not be making videos for a couple days. So I'm gonna make one for you guys after I make this one, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna get some new stuff going. I think I'm gonna do one where I am doing DAS, because I do DAS also. Take a break from meshing stuff, do something different. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, love you. Thanks for the support.